Hi there, welcome to Sir Mathigo channel. Today, I am going to discuss solving quadratic equation by completing the square. We know that the quadratic equation standard form is given by ax squared positive bx positive c is equal to 0. In this topic, I will discuss two examples presenting quadratic equations with a equals 1 and a is greater than 1. Let's begin with the first one. Solve x squared positive 8x positive 12 is equal to 0 by completing the square. First thing that we will do is transpose positive 12 to the right side of the equation. So it becomes negative 12. And bring down x squared positive 8x. Now we want to create a perfect square trinomial in the left side. The procedure is to get half of the middle term. Half of 8 is 4, and then square 4. So we have 16. Also, add 16 to the right side. We have now the square of the quantity x positive 4 is equal to 4. Now we want to extract square root. So we have now square root of the square of x plus 4 is equal to the square root of 4. And x plus 4 is equal to positive negative 2. Since we have two equations, we have x plus 4 is equal to 2, and the other one, x plus 4 is equal to negative 2. And our values of x are x is equal to negative 2 and x is equal to negative 6. Example number 2. Solve 6x squared negative 11x positive 3 is equal to 0 by completing the square. Let's start by transposing 3 to the right. So we have negative 3. And bring down 6x squared negative 11x. Notice that we have a binomial in the left side. We want to make a perfect square trinomial. And there is 6 as coefficient of x squared. And it is not a perfect square. Now we have to separate 6 by putting it out of the parenthesis as a factor. Inside the parenthesis, we add a blank. We can supply a number for this blank because we want to make a perfect square trinomial. To do that, we get 1/2 of 11 over 6, which is 11 over 12. And then square 11 over 12, and that is 121 over 144. In the right side of the equation, we add 6 times 121 over 144. Take note, 6 is included. In the left side, we have 6 times the square of x minus 11 over 12. That is equal to negative 3 plus 121 over 24. Where is 6 here? We reduce 6 and 144, and the remaining is 24 in the denominator. By adding these numbers, we have 49 over 24. New equation. 6 times the square of x negative 11 over 12 is equal to 49 over 24. Since there is 6, we multiply the whole equation by 1/6. We have the square of x negative 11 over 12 is equal to 49 over 144. We extract square root. So we have the square root of the square of x minus or negative 11 over 12 is equal to the square root of 49 over 144. X negative 11 over 12 is equal to positive and negative 7 over 12. We have these two equations where we can find the values of x. We have x negative 11 over 12 is equal to 7 over 12, and x negative 11 over 12 is equal to negative 7 over 12. For this equation, we transpose negative 11 over 12 to the right. We have x is equal to 7 over 12 positive 11 over 12. Adding these two fractions, we have 18 over 12. And reduce this to lowest term, finally 3 over 2. In the other equation, transpose negative 11 over 12 to the right. We have x is equal to negative 7 over 12 plus 11 over 12. So adding these two fractions, we have 4 over 12. Reduce this to lowest term. The final answer, x is equal to 1/3. Let's try this. Solve the following quadratic equations by completing the square. Number 1. Answer. Number 2. Answers. Number 3. Answers. Number 4. Answers. I hope you are enjoying solving this test. If you want to have some equations to solve, you can post that in the comment section below. And later we can discuss that and have interaction with each other. This test will help you internalize your knowledge about solving quadratic equation by completing the square. Once you have finished this, I congratulate you because you would be able to perform your task in school. You can pause this video if you need more time to view and answer this test. I am also hoping that you have learned so much today. Please don't forget to subscribe in my channel, and you can also share this video. Thank you so much.